Okay, so we're looking for an expression that will represent this probability, given that we have n trials and p is a probability of success. So x is binomial np. And we want the probability that x equals 1, given that x is bigger than or equal to 0, bigger than 0, which is the same as the probability that x equals 1, given x is bigger than or equal to 1. Which the overlap of x equaling 1 and bigger than or equal to 1 is x equals 1. So the probability that x equals 1 over the probability that x is equal to 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, which is 1 minus the probability that x equals 0. So straight away, I'm liking this one or this one, just looking at the structure. The others don't have a denominator, and I don't believe we would have any cancellations. Okay, so probability that x equals 1 is the number of ways that I can choose 1 from n, p to the 1, 1 minus p to the n minus 1. This is going to be n ways, p, 1 minus p to the n minus 1. So I've got np, 1 minus p to the n minus 1, all over. Now, always keep an eye, this is this numerator. I'm liking b more and more and more, only in that my numerator is absolute perfect, and I've got a denominator which is 1 minus something. So the probability that x equals 0 is n0, p0, 1 minus p to the n, which will be 1 times 1, 1 minus p to the n. So 1 minus p to the n, and bingo, I like b.